Fiberglass plain weave is mainly made of twisted spun yarns. The composition of twisted yarns can be divided into alkali-free twisted yarns and medium alkali twisted yarns. The warp and weft density is determined by the yarn structure and weave pattern. The warp and weft density, together with the yarn structure, determines the physical properties of the fabric, such as weight, thickness, and breaking strength. There are 5 basic weave patterns: plain, twill, satin, ribbed, and matte. Fiberglass tape is divided into woven edge tape and non-woven edge tape. Main weave is plain. Non-alkali fiberglass tape is commonly used in the manufacture of high-strength, good dielectric properties of electrical equipment parts. The quality requirements for fine cloth are as follows. 1. Uniform fabric, cloth edge straight, cloth surface flat in the shape of a mat, no stains, pilling, creases, wrinkles, and so on. 2. Warp, weft density, area weight, fabric width and roll length are in line with the standard. 3. Rolled on a firm paper core and neatly wound. 4. Rapid and good resin permeability. 5. The dry and wet state mechanical strength of the laminated material made of fabric should meet the requirements. The raw material of fiberglass fine cloth is twisted fiberglass yarn. Coating composition is paraffin wax, silane, starch. Its application areas are wall reinforcement materials, reinforced cement products, waterproof membrane cloth, asphalt roofing waterproofing, rubber products, skeleton material, geogrid for highway pavement, seam tape for construction, and so on.